Hi there. You look a little lost. Is everything okay?
Oh, hi. To be honest, I am very lost. This is my first day here. The university is just so big.
I remember my first day. I was nervous too. It gets easier, I promise. My name is Leo.
I'm Mia. It's nice to meet you, Leo. I I feel really overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed? You mean like it feels like too much to handle?
Yes, exactly. Too much. I don't know where to go,
Right.
and I don't know anyone.
Well, now you know me. Don't worry. I can help. Where is your first class?
Let me check my schedule. It's an English lecture in Hall B.
An English lecture in Hall B. Okay, I know exactly where that is.
Oh,
We can walk there together if you like.
you would do that? Thank you so much. That is so kind.
Of course, it's no problem at all. Follow me. It's this way.
Wow, there are so many different buildings, and just look at all the students.
It's a busy place for sure, but you'll get used to it.
Get used to it? You mean it'll start to feel normal?
Exactly. Before you know it, this big, scary place will feel like home.
Really?
Yeah. Look, that giant building over there, that is the main library.
The library. It's huge. It looks bigger than my whole old school.
It has more than 1 million books.
Wow.
It's a wonderful place for quiet study. And oh, here we are. This is Hall B.
This whole building is Hall B? I, I thought it would just be a small room.
Your class is inside in what's called a lecture hall.
A lecture hall. What does that mean?
Think of it as a very large classroom.
Okay.
There will be tons of students, all listening to one professor.
Oh, I see. A big classroom. That that makes me feel a little scared.
It's completely normal to feel that way.
Hmm.
Just find a comfortable seat and listen. I promise you will do great.
Okay. Find a seat and listen. I can do that. Thank you again, Leo.
You're welcome, Mia. Hey, maybe I'll see you around later today.
Yes, I hope so.
Mia, hi. I was hoping I'd see you. How was your first lecture?
Leo, it's so good to see a friendly face. The lecture was interesting.
Yeah?
The professor spoke very, very fast, but the topic was good.
That's what professors do.
Right.
They love to talk. Anyway, are you hungry? It's lunchtime.
I am very hungry, but I have another problem. I don't know where to eat.
Then let me introduce you to the cafeteria.
The cafeteria. That's the big building for food, right?
That's the one. They have all different kinds of food. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay, let's go. I'm really happy you are here. I feel much less lost with you.
I'm happy I can help. You know, it makes the big campus feel smaller when you have a friend.
Wow, it's so noisy in here, and look at all the choices.
It can be a little confusing at first. What kind of food do you feel like? They have pizza, salad, sandwiches.
A sandwich sounds good. Something simple is perfect for today.
Good choice. The sandwich line is right over there. The system is pretty simple. We just wait in line.
Okay, wait in line. I'm learning so many new rules today.
The first day is always full of new information.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you'll be an expert by next week. Come on, let's go find a table.
How about this one? This table by the window is nice and bright.
Perfect spot. So Mia, if you don't mind me asking, where are you from?
I'm from a very small town. It's quiet and everyone knows each other. This is all very different.
I get that. I came from a small town too. It takes a little time to adjust.
Adjust. You mean to get comfortable with all the changes?
Exactly. You need some time to feel comfortable. but you'll make new friends and find your own path. Hey, you already made one friend.
Yes, I did. You are my first friend at university. It feels really good to say that.
I feel the same. Hey, after we finish lunch, would you like to see something really fun?
Something fun? I would love that. What is it?
It's the Student Club Fair. It's happening all this week.
Leo, what is this place? There are so many tables and banners.
This is the Student Club Fair.
Okay.
Clubs are, well, they're special groups for students who share the same interests.
Interests. You mean like hobbies and activities?
Yes, exactly. There are clubs for sports, music, art, books, science, almost everything you can imagine. Each table represents a different club.
Look at that one. The photography club. I I love taking photos. It's my favorite hobby.
Then you should totally go talk to them. You can sign up and join the club.
Join the club? Me? Ugh, I don't know. I am way too shy to just walk up to them.
You are not too shy. Think about today. You have been so brave.
I was brave, but I just felt scared.
You were scared, but you did it anyway.
Yeah?
You came to a huge new place, you survived a big lecture, and you started a conversation with a complete stranger who is now your friend. That is the definition of brave.
When you say it like that, maybe you're right. Okay, I'm going to do it. I will go talk to them.
That's the spirit. I'll wait right here. Go on.
Leo, I did it. I signed up. I'm a member of the photography club.
That's fantastic, Mia. I knew you could do it. How do you feel?
I feel excited and proud. I was so nervous and worried this morning, but now I actually feel happy to be here.
See, your first day turned out to be a great success.
Yes, a real success. But it's because you helped me. Thank you for everything, Leo.
You are very welcome. But remember, you were the one who took all the steps. This morning, you saw the university as a scary place.
Yeah.
What about now?
Now, it feels like a place of opportunity.
Opportunity, that is the perfect word for it.
Hmm.
A place for new friends, new hobbies, and new adventures.
Yes, a place for new beginnings. I think I'm going to like it here.
I know you will. Come on, my new friend. The day is still young. Let's go explore some more.
Yes, let's go.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. What is a time you felt nervous about something new? And what small step did you take that made you feel brave?